Like, I know I'm gonna catch hate for that, but I think ARs are kind of gay. The AR-15 is a gay platform. I don't like it. It's too finicky. I always see people constantly replacing their fucking, buffer springs or the whole ass buffer tube. And then they're like, oh, AR-15, I'll just get yourself an AR-15. They just they gum up and need fucking cleaning every 200 rounds. But, get an AR-15? Fuck that. I want something I don't need to clean every 200 shots. I want something that I don't need to replace parts in every fucking month. I don't like AR-15s. They're just overrated. I don't like them. That's not me.